The Ultra series by Xiaomi is known for the best possible specifications and amazing cameras. This year we got the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, which had this massive circular camera module on the back with 4 cameras, and all the 4 cameras had a 50 megapixel sensor. The primary camera had a huge 1-inch Sony LYT-900 sensor, while the rest of the 3 cameras had a Sony IMX858 sensor. There were 2 telephoto cameras on the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, one with a periscope lens offering a 5x optical zoom, and the other with a normal telephoto lens offering 3.2x optical zoom. Well, the brand is now going to launch the Xiaomi 15 Ultra in a few months, and while there is no word from the company yet, we now have the renders of the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Now, these are not the official renders of the phone, but they are based on the leaks and they are pretty close to the actual product. So as you can see, the camera module is still circular, but the camera arrangement has changed. And that is primarily because of the periscope lens, which takes up the upper portion of the circular camera module. The rest of the 3 cameras are placed in a single row, so overall this definitely does not look symmetrical, and many will not like this camera arrangement for sure. It is said that instead of a 50 megapixel sensor, Xiaomi 15 Ultra uses a 200 megapixel sensor for the periscope telephoto camera. Now this is said to be the 1/1.4 inch Samsung HP9 sensor, and it is reported that the optical zoom offered by this periscope camera is 4.3x. Now this is lower than the 5x optical zoom of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, but since the megapixel count is so high, the shots at 5x on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra are definitely not going to look bad when compared to the 5x shots from the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. It is also worth mentioning that this is a bigger sensor than the 50 megapixel sensor on the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. The Samsung HP9 is a 1/1.4 inch sensor, whereas the Sony IMX858 was a 1/2.5 inch sensor. So there is a big difference in the size, and this increase in the size is the primary reason why the other 3 cameras are shifted to the bottom in a single row in that huge camera module. It is also worth mentioning that the Samsung HP9 sensor is the same sensor that the Vivo X200 Pro uses for its periscope telephoto camera, and the X200 Pro has a 3.7x optical zoom. And we have already seen how good the periscope camera on the Vivo X200 Pro performs. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra has the same sensor but an even higher optical zoom, so the performance should be similar if not better. The primary camera on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is expected to be the same 1-inch Sony LYT-900 sensor which we saw on the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. In terms of the performance, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, and there is a massive 6000 mAh battery, an upgrade from the 5300 mAh battery in the Chinese variant of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. The charging speeds are expected to be the same, that is 90 watt wired charging and 80 watt wireless charging. And well, that is all we know so far. It is highly unlikely that the Xiaomi 15 Ultra will be launched at the same launch event as the Xiaomi 15 series. The launch is expected in January next year. Anyways, what do you think of the camera module design? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.